said did this.
Alright guys, look, I parked all the way over there. Because I wasn't trying to park next to nobody, bro. Look at this X7, this BMW right here. This joint tight. I had to bring my son to the doctors. Look at them. Look at that joint. That's nice right there. That's probably a doctor's car. Look where I'm parked at. All the way over here by my son. Because people would tear your car up, bro. Oh, let me unlock the door. Get in the front, Jarrell. Because he gotta get. Oh, yeah. Look at him being extra.
Get in the front. Get in the front.
Got my baby parked in the cut. I ain't playing no game. Parked their Porsche over there. If y'all do this, leave a comment if you park your car way away from everybody.
Oh, that's nice. It's like a purple.
I'm gonna run that way. I just like the way the car sounds in the garage. Deep.
It's a good shot.
Yeah.
Gotta free up some storage. Whoa.
Joe, I know I only got a few more minutes left. I gotta transfer some stuff off that phone.
You got 16 minutes.
That's enough. I ain't gonna do too much.
Hey, can you get my external hard drive?
Yeah, we got you.
Oh, man.
That seems like some
Oh, man. This thing sounds devious sometimes. Especially the kickback on it. At this point, he just flexing. He just flexing at this point.
No, you can't do nothing crazy. I don't want to run over nobody. I like the way the car sounds here.
Oh my God, this thing got so much takeoff.
It's a little garage. If it was bigger, I'd probably get on a little bit. We can't. Gotta be safe, man. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I know I haven't uploaded in a minute. Actually, it's been like maybe 4 days or something like that. Man, I've been super busy. Also, my son got sick, so I've been trying to attend to him, man, make sure he's all right. He's definitely getting better. He's good to go. But like I said, man, I've just been super busy. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I've been contemplating on what I wanted to do next to my car, considering it's about to be wintertime. I wasn't really trying to do too much, but I'm tired, guys. I mean, I'm sick of this car looking the same. It's been the same pretty much since I got it. Don't get me wrong, I like the plain Jane, but I do want to do some things to it, man. So today we're gonna order some exhaust tips, man, because I'm just tired of the way this car look, especially the rear. Those little small tips got to go. All right, guys, so I threw a little water on. I still gotta wipe it down. But what I'm talking about, man, is these tips right here. Y'all know what it is. Them joints got to go, man. These joints are just too small. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the 5-inch ones. Well, man, I've been calling around to different shops trying to see who has the 5-inch tips instead of me ordering them. But I cannot find a shop with these tips, bro. It's almost like you gotta order them from somewhere. Now, I found 2 different kinds. I'm pretty sure y'all aware of this. I know y'all probably already got them on y'all car, but there's one called Vicres. I think that's how you pronounce it. And of course, the carving tips. I know the carving tips were sold out for a long time, and I was kind of waiting for those to come in. But then I came across the Vicres one. I think that's how you pronounce it. And they also have a diffuser that I want, because I want to change the diffuser and the tips on my car. So what we're gonna do, man, we're gonna go on the website and we're gonna order the tips. I'm not gonna order the diffuser right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and order the tips. Once they come in, I'm definitely gonna do an install video. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen this stuff a million times. So again, I'm not gonna make this video super long, but I just want to check in with you guys, let you know what's going on. I know it's been a few days. I usually try to upload every couple days, but like I said, I've just been super busy, and there's no point in making videos super long. People be skipping through them joints anyway. So I just want to update you guys on what I'm doing. I'm about to show you guys the website, and I'm gonna show you guys the tips. Leave your comments and let me know what y'all think. Yeah, guys, I've just been super busy, man. I appreciate you guys leaving comments and hitting the like button on the other videos. Please hit the like button on this video. I've been trying to find a Hellcat Durango that I can do a review on. The dealerships that got them are like super far, and the one, I think the local dealership had one, but they sold it, and they was real hesitant about people doing reviews, man. So I've been trying to get some cars to do a review, but these dealerships, man, they acting funny, bro. I don't know if it's because it's a shortage on these cars, they don't want people in and out of them, or what the situation is. You gotta be Doug DeMiro to get be able to do reviews on these cars, bro, because I'm telling you, it's difficult, man. They I mean, I get it. I ain't nobody special to them, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I want to build my channel up a little more, so maybe then I have some leverage. Because right now, I'm just a guy trying to look at a car and record it. They ain't really taking me serious. But that's all right, though. I'll be back. So hit the like button, guys, you know, so this video can get out there. I'm not sure if you guys even heard of these tips I'm about to show y'all. So hit the like button, leave your comments. Let me know how you like your tips, if you got them on your car, the 5-inch tips. So let's get into it. Let's go.
See, they have their own 5-inch tips, and they're pretty much the same price as the carbon ones. So I'm just wondering what the difference is. Are they pretty much the same? They just put their name on them, or? But these look a little more like shinier than the carbon ones. These look a little like more so gloss, ceramic black set. So I was actually thinking about getting these instead of the carbon ones, just to have, because y'all know I like to do things different, try different products instead of getting the same exact thing as everybody else. So what I think I'm gonna do, guys, I think instead of ordering the carbon ones, I'm gonna order these and test them out and see how these work. I mean, I like the finish of them compared to the carbon ones. Let's go back. Now, I don't know what website this is, but I'm just looking at the finish of them. I really don't care about. See, these don't look as glossy as the other ones, and which I really don't really care about that, but I just wanted to try something different. I'm guaranteed they're the same thing, and just different name. I need to try to get something to say Hemi Muscle. I think that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Leave your comments, man. Maybe I should come up with my own exhaust tips and charge a little less than these folks. There's no reason for these tips to be that expensive, man. It's ridiculous. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna order these tips. Leave your comments. Let me know if you got them. Do it make a difference? Do it make the car sound different? I know it makes it look different. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Once they come in, I'm gonna do an install video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.